Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be looking at the Totallee case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this is a super thin case. It doesn't add any bulk to your phone whatsoever. You can see here it doesn't really have a raised edge for screen protection either, which they do tell you that straight up on the website, that it's not meant for, total protection like that. It's more just to protect the back from, scratches and stuff like that. They do tell you if you want screen protection to use a screen protector. They do sell some screen protectors on their website, but this is one I've already had. I'm going to show you guys the camera button, or the camera control cutout right there on the side. It's not like a kind of a deep groove like some of the other cases, because obviously this case is too thin to do that. It's just a cutout and opening, which I find, I don't really like these too much. I prefer the ones that have a little indent going into it so you can kind of rest your thumb in it. But like I said, for this case size, it's okay. Only other gripe I have about this case is it is not MagSafe compatible. It does not have any MagSafe magnets on it. They do sell some clear ones that do, but I wanted the red one. You can use MagSafe accessories with it, like if you put a battery on it or a MagSafe charger. It will charge and recognize that it's MagSafe through the case. But if you have like a stand or something like that, you have to be pretty careful because it does make the magnets a little weaker, and it tends to kind of want to fall off if you bump it or anything like that. So that's the only con I have with this case. It was about $35, and it looks really nice if you want to preserve the feel of your iPhone without adding too much bulk to it. Definitely a great case. I recommend that. But if you're a heavy MagSafe user, or if you're somebody that is going to be in a tough environment, I would recommend getting something a little more protective. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.